Hey guys, John here. We have a Tundra modification today, courtesy of Lasfit. We got their brand new all-weather floor liners. Let's install them. All right, so I got them out, and here is the little user's manual that they do give you guys. They give us some tips in here, and there's also a 45-day money-back guarantee with a lifetime warranty. I will leave the link down in the description for these, along with an applicable discount code for these as well. So before we install them into my Tundra, I just want to take a look at them on the outside real quick. So they do state in their directions that it may be a little wonky. So they've been folded up in a tiny box, shipped over here. So maybe if you want to allow it to have some time to settle, you can if it's a warm day. But this side over here, I was easily able to morph it down. This side was like hanging out way up high, but I was able to morph it down. I'll keep trying to massage it before I install it on into the truck. But you could see over here on the passenger side of this rear one that it has a nice little bevel right here. WeatherTech that I had in my Tundra before, it used to always kind of peel up behind the door. WeatherTech finally fixed that, but it looks like Lasfit, since they do 3D scanning for the trucks, they kind of did a little bevel right here so that rear door doesn't catch this part. Looking at the front passenger and also the driver's side, everything looks like it'll go up over the plastic, and we also have our little locks right here so these won't slide, but I know they won't slide too because we have some heavy little prongs or little spikes down here to help it not slide on the carpet. So definitely prep your space, clean up your carpet, and remove your old floor mats if you guys have any. All right, we're gonna start on the passenger side. I moved the seat all the way back for assistance. These little lock things right here, just make sure they're horizontal. Go ahead and take the Lasfit floor mat, set it into place, lock, lock. All right, now the driver's side, push it on under, lock it into place. That was super simple. All right, and lastly, the back. So I'm just gonna take it over like this. Just gotta watch the transmission tunnel a little bit. Fix that once I get over there. All right, they're all installed. Let's take a look. So I'll do an update over time, just like I have done on the 4Runner, but first impressions, man, these things contour really well. So we're up over the lip here of the plastic, comes around here on the seat really nicely, goes up kind of on this dead space right here too. Zoom out a little bit. You can see like where my foot has already kicked here, but we got some nice rubber going up here. And I like that this kind of traps it too. So if you have water or anything like that on your boots or shoes, if it's rainy or snow, it's gonna trap it all in here. And this goes up right there too, which is nice. We go up under the pedal. We still got tons of play for the pedal right there. All up here, coming back up into the seat right there. Check out the back. The back is definitely where it's gonna need to flatten out a little bit, but this is already flattening out. And then if we go to shut the door, it's like staying under, which is awesome. So this will flatten itself out. We're going around this portion right here too of the seats, going up over the transmission tunnel. This will hopefully flatten itself out a little bit. Really nice all along this too. All right, and then coming over to the passenger side, we're nice and flat on this side. I did do a door check, and the door definitely clears underneath this right here. Hopefully too, again, this will like flatten out. You can see a bit once the truck heats up, and this will start to contour more to the truck. That should flatten out. But right up here where the seats are at, this goes perfectly to the seat sliders right here. And you can even tell right here too with the seat belt that the Lasfit mat goes literally right up under this plastic piece right here. So again, in the rear too, it is nice, you know, if your feet are right here to catch it. We will have some runoff in the rear for like snow or water and stuff, but that's just how Toyota designed these rear seats because that's how the carpet is. So if you were to have something that stayed up like this, you're still susceptible to the carpet. I'd rather the carpet be covered. And then we will go to the passenger side here, moving the seat back, and we have the same amount of protection here too, obviously, as the driver's side where it dips down, creates this canal. This will morph a bit more to the truck over time. I liked here too how it goes back up under the seat instead of just being cut off here. When I bought this Tundra, I did not elect to get mats in it for this reason. I didn't know that Lasfit was coming out with stuff. They reached out and they're like, hey John, we finally have stuff for the Tundra. You wanna try it? I said, heck yes, because I love it in the 4Runner. And I know I'm gonna love these mats in here too, and they are a fraction of the price that Toyota charges, and they are also, for the front and rear of this Tundra, a good bit cheaper than Husky liners and also WeatherTechs from when I bought my WeatherTechs. But I want to show you the difference of this and my Sequoia though now. So guys, for reference, this is Toyota's all-weather floor mats. Now, this is for a TRD Pro. Not sure exactly how the other ones are, but carpet, nowhere near the protection of this. But this is what Toyota OEM provides you guys. It stops pretty much right here, does not go up over the plastic. So if I was to open that up and look, I got stuff all down the carpet right here because it does not go over the plastic. And then too, back up here in the seat, you guys can see a bunch of stuff on the carpet here because the floor mat just stops. It does not tuck itself back up under the carpet. And then also coming to the back seats too, you can see it stops. So it doesn't go up onto the plastic like the Tundra does. It just kind of stops itself right here, leaving your carpet susceptible to whatever. You could just tell compared to the Sequoia, carpet's covered right here. Plastic's covered all up in here. Carpet's covered back there. We're going up nice and tight up the transmission tunnel too. And the grooves and the lines match the Tundra interior so perfectly. And let's do a quick grip test. Oh yeah. Those aren't slippery at all. So definitely not slippery floor mats. They have a good amount of grip and texture to them. Man, that's nice. Super good 3D scanned everything, just put together system. So again guys, link will be down in the description. I will also have a discount code down there too for you guys. Not sure how long it's going to last when you're seeing this video, but definitely a good price from Lasfit, and they run sales all the time. So guys, appreciate you watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.